tutorials. So today I actually have a special video because it was requested by a special someone. So I used to work at a Japanese restaurant called Karin, and the owner's daughter actually messaged me saying she likes my videos and wanted to learn sewing, and it made me so happy, and she asked me to teach her how to make overalls. Aoi-chan, 見てるの？元気？今日は葵ちゃんのため特別動画だよ。一緒にサロペットを作りましょう。So let's get started. To make these overalls, I will be upcycling these pants. They already fit me at the waist, so all I'll have to do is cut them to make them into shorts. Fold them over to cut the same length on the other side. Flip the shorts inside out and fold the hem and pin it down. Sew all around to hem the bottom of the shorts. And just to prevent fraying, I also zigzag stitch the edges before. To make the top part, I think it's called a bib, measure the width of the waistband, mine was 13 inches, and subtract 3 inches to know the dimension of the bib. So mine was 10 inches. With the remaining pant leg, trace a square that is 10 by 10 inches. And then cut it out. You should have 2 of these pieces. To make the straps, use the second pant leg and cut 3-inch wide strips of fabric. You can cut extra and sew them together to make the straps longer, but I didn't need to do that, I was fine with just one. And they were about 22 inches long. Fold the straps in half right sides together and sew them closed. To make flipping them over easier, I sew one end closed. Clip the corners so that the corners will be clean and sharp. To flip the strap, start by flipping the closed end and use a stick. I use a barbecue skewer and push the fabric until it is flipped over completely. And then you can poke out the corners with the stick. Iron the straps so that they are nice and flat. Place the open side of the strap, so the side that wasn't sewed closed, at 1/2 inch from the corner, and pin it down. Place the second square piece right sides together. And basically, we're going to do the same thing as the straps. Sew the sides, but leave a gap at the bottom to be able to flip it later. Mark the gap by pinning it, and then pin the rest of the sides. Sew all around. And don't forget to leave a gap. Cut off all of the corners. Next, flip it inside out. Use something pointy to unfold all of the corners, and I just used some scissors. Give the bib a quick iron, and then it's time to sew it to the shorts. Place it right under the waistband and top stitch it. To sew it, use a zigzag stitch. Now is a good time to try it on and see if you need to adjust the length of the straps. Mine ended up being the perfect length. Place them at 3 inches from the side, pin the straps under the waistband, and sew it. And we're done. These overalls were really quick and easy to make. Let's see the final transformation. overalls actually came out a lot cuter than I expected and are perfect for the summertime. あおいちゃん、サロペットを作ったら私に写真送ってね。ありがとう。And also, just a quick shout out to Karin Restaurant. The owners are such lovely people, and if you're in the Montreal area and want to eat some delicious and authentic Japanese food, make sure to stop by at Karin. They are so nice. I'll put their link in my description box. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more DIY and fashion content. And thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye!